So before we go ahead and take this journey together, why don't you go ahead and click subscribe up over here. Is it on the shoulder? I think it is. It should be. Anyway, if you don't, it's also down there, right? Subscribe to these videos. We're going to be bringing you a lot more wines, a lot more recipes. We're going to pair some of the wines and recipes together, and you're going to miss it. I don't want that to happen. So subscribe, like, share this video, and let's pack our bags and get over there. Let's get some stuff. Welcome back, friends and family. It's a very special happy hour. We're going to stamp our passports today, and we're going to head to Italy, to a little small town off the Adriatic Sea at the bottom of the mountain. They have a pretty good product there. They grow Montepulciano grapes, not to be mistaken with Montepulciano, the town in Tuscany. So what we have is a Montepulciano d'Abruzzo. Abruzzo is a region that was broken down into 3 sections, and some people say Abruzzi, which says that there's more than one region, or Abruzzo, same place, basically what it used to be, all for one. So this is Cantina Zaccagnini. Winemaker's name is Marcello Zaccagnini. This is a family wine. You can see here there's a little stick attached to it. This could be representative of a grapevine, but it says here Il Vino dal Tralcetto, which translates to the wine of the wooden stick. So that's why this is here. Pretty cool. Nice dry red wine. This is a 2016 out of, again, the Abruzzo area of Italy. So why am I so excited about this? This is my parents' favorite wine. So I've had it a lot. I know it's a good product, but we're going to share it today. Let's get this opened up. Now, the other thing that Abruzzo is really well known for is the hiking area. So it's a very mountainous region of Italy, off on the coastline. So this particular wine is grown at the low end of the hills. So it's a lower elevation inside of a very mountainous region, which makes it fairly unique from a perspective of a lot of places sell the grapes higher up on the hill for more money. Smells nice. We have some branding on the cork, and this also actually says it's 100% recyclable, so they're doing their part. Really, really nice. Okay, so we have our wine glass here. It's clean. Smells good. Wow, you can really see right off the bat that this is a pretty intense plum color. It almost has like a violet scent to it. And if you give it a tilt there, let's look at the alcohol rim. Looks good. I don't know if you could see it there very well. We're going to give it a quick swirl just to let it open up. This has been in the bottle for a long time. Most Montepulciano wines are meant to be drank pretty quickly. But this one is very special because the back here, it says that it's Reserva. There's not a lot of Montepulciano wines that are sold at a Reserva. They haven't been aged that long. They're table wines. So this is a step up, okay? And this bottle is about 15 bucks on average. So you can pay a little bit less or a little bit more depending on where you live. But most importantly, it smells good. Give it a swirl again. We'll check out the legs. It's good. All right, let's give it a quick taste here. Ooh, okay. It is very much a fresh, almost fruity flavor that's coming out of this. I would say that the scent of the plums and the violets are translating into the taste. So that's a great sign. What we want to smell and taste the same thing. Very, very good. It's very balanced. The tannins are very balanced. It's very low acidity. It's very easy to drink. This has been aged in oak or chestnut, I believe, or other options that they would use in that region of Italy. And what makes this grape a little bit different too is that they slow crush it. So if you've ever done a wine tour during their season where they take all the grapes off the vines, in America and a lot of other places, they throw them into a crusher, it smashes all the grapes out, and then they move on with their process. These grapes are very plump, the Montepulciano grapes that grow in that area. So they're crushed very slowly to make sure that they get all of the most intense flavor out of the grapes, and it's really translating here to a great table wine. Very drinkable. Whether it's hot, it's cold. You could definitely meats, cheeses, charcuterie, any Italian dish, red sauce. Probably wouldn't pair it with fish, but it does definitely have a versatility to it where it's fine to be able to drink it on its own. So yeah, just once again, this one is from Cantina Zaccagnini. So Cantina in Italian means cellar. This is the Zaccagnini cellar. Winemakers Marcello Zaccagnini. It's family owned, and they're very proud of this product, and they should be. This is really, really good wine, especially for the cost. $15, I would take this to anything that would call for wine, which for most of us right now is basically anything that we do, including watching TV. But this particular wine here is definitely upholding a tradition and a high quality of Italian winemaking. And Montepulciano wines, there are some that, like I said, are table wines. This one definitely isn't. This I would have with a meal, a nice meal. Definitely anything, again, that I would like to eat that calls for wine, this is a perfect choice. So again, this highly recommended, and we'll just put the label up there one more time so you can get a good look at it there. Sorry about the light. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. So hopefully we've learned something today. I definitely know that we have a great wine here. Would share this with anybody. And my parents picked a good one. So with that being said, I hope you catch a buzz with your cuz. And until next time, we'll be exploring a couple of different types of wines. We're going to be doing a lot of passport stuff. Being that, European travel is something that we're not really doing right now for, obvious reasons. But if you're watching this in the future, COVID has everything all crazy. So no one can go anywhere of overseas, cross borders. There's a lot of things going on. So we're going to bring those things to us if we can. And the other thing I would also say, if you're interested in Italian wines, even French wines, Spanish wines, go out and buy them now. I'm starting to see in a lot of the stores that they're coming back and saying, there's trouble for them to deliver it overseas because they haven't been working, right? So there's some delivery problems. So if you like something, grab it now before the inventory's gone. Until then, I better let you go. We catch a buzz with your cousin. I got something to eat and drink. Let's go ahead and hit subscribe, and you'll be able to get a cut. Outtakes.